Hi, you guys. Really? Already we got something going on. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite unique products. I'm filming it in my car because it's a beautiful day outside. I don't leave the house, and I thought if I don't get myself outside of the house, I'm going to lose it. So I'm on a Papa Bev. These are great. They're sugar-free. I get them at Target. I just got home from Target, actually. I'm going to Papa Bev, hang out with you guys. I'm filming this on a Saturday. What the heck? Let's go for it. Let's talk about some unique makeup products and do it in the most girly best friend way possible. Cheers, sparkling rosé, no sugar. Okay, you guys, let's talk about it. I rounded them up and I am wearing all of the products right now. Oh, we had a little eyelash get clumped together. That ain't cute. Ow, put myself in the eye. Here we go. Wow, consummate professional. Also, new glasses alert. These are the Doherty from Warby Parker. I love the rounded frame. Now, they look a lot lighter online, but when it comes to tortoiseshell, honey, you kind of, it's a gamble. You know what I mean? Unless you're like in an eye doctor's office. Even, these are the glasses I wear all the time. I get a lot of questions. These are the Winston frame and whiskey tortoise. Even if you order these, they're going to look different because they're going to have a different tortoiseshell pattern. Also, theme of the day, unique products, unique glasses. I feel like I will always be forever addicted to Warby Parker. But I love these because they're round, and honestly, the frames that I received, the darker, like a little more red, I'm kind of liking it, the contrast with my hair. These are the products that have been wowing me, that I feel like are super unique and just not really talked about. First things first, I have no coverage products on my face right now. None whatsoever. Except for concealer under my eyes. I am 36. This is what we look like in the sunlight. Okay, we've got powder. We've got concealer. It looks like skin, okay? Obviously, there's imperfections. I don't filter my videos. I never have. Why are you doing that? The concealer that has been wowing me, that is a unique product to me because, first of all, I've never heard of this brand until recently. This is the Iris and Romeo Best Skin Days Treatment Concealer. So this can be applied to the face, blemishes, things like that. I love this shade in particular, which is shade 1 for under my eyes. It brightens so beautifully. So I will go ahead and apply my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, which we'll get into, and my blush actually. And then I will just put 2 dots, like kind of lower here, warm it up with my fingers, and then go in my beauty blender just really quick. Boom. That's the only coverage product I have on my face. That's it. That is it, girl. We are rocking our natural skin. I have not even been filling my eyebrows. But this concealer brightens. It keeps my under eyes looking moisturized. It keeps my under eyes looking bright, and it doesn't crease. Of course, it moves with the skin. Okay, I've had this on all day now. It's almost 2 o'clock. This is in natural daylight. Okay? Ooh. Girl, she looked good. Anyway, I love it. A little bit goes a long way. I have before applied this like I would my normal concealer. Way too much. I talked about it on my Instagram, but I haven't talked about it yet on the channel. I did receive all of the shades of this in PR. This is the Urban Decay Face Bond Luminizer. Okay, so you can use this. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, like it's supposed to last all day, all night. I don't know about all night. I don't sleep in my makeup. Don't sleep in your makeup. But it definitely lasts all day. The shade that I have been loving is Space Cowboy. Space Cowboy is like, obviously it's an iconic shade. And I do feel like Space Cowboy, the face luminizer, definitely pays really good homage to the color. I don't know if that's picking up. I don't even think we're getting the advantage of being in natural sunlight. It's the only highlight that I have on. I have it on my cheeks, in the middle of my forehead, down my nose, my chin. And mind you, this is underneath the concealer. This is not even over any foundation or under any foundation. This is just the luminizer on its own, and it's beautiful. It doesn't move, and also I feel like it sets really well by itself. And you can use these on your body. You can add them to moisturizer. You can add them underneath your foundation, which I've tried, over your foundation, which I've tried before, and it doesn't break up product. I've applied these with a brush and a sponge, and I prefer the sponge. You just get a little more payoff. The other shade, and I want to compare, this is the shade Silver Lake. So Silver Lake is like a really beautiful champagne-y with silver specks in there. So this is Space Cowboy and this is Silver Lake. Space Cowboy looks good on fair skin as well. I'm going to blend I'm just gonna blend down Silver Lake over the 31 and not getting them mixed up. And I'm just doing this so you can see that I'm not mixing them up. And then Space Cowboy, I'm gonna blend that up. That's them next to each other. This is Space Cowboy and this is Silver Lake. Again, Space Cowboy is what I have on and Silver Lake I do not. But I also love, now watch this, blending these two together. They're beautiful together. Beautiful together. This is not picking it up. Cheek product that I'm loving is from Kaja. And this is their Dewy Bar in Grapefruit Gelato. I can't wait to just have an excuse to go on a trip just so I can throw this in a travel makeup bag. It's just like one of those products where you're like, I can feel myself putting this in a travel makeup bag. Look at this. It's the blush I have on. It's the only blush I have on. It is so cute. I apply it way up high. I apply it with my BK Beauty 106 foundation brush. Oh, and it is like pretty dewy. This works really well. You can push it up and it goes right back down. Look at that. That's what I have on. You can totally tell because we're twinning with our hands. Anyway, this is the perfect like healthy flush shade for my skin tone in particular, which is an NC15. Do you see that? It's so pretty and it doesn't move. First, when you put it on, you're like, whoa, this might be a little too moisturizing. And then as it sets on the face, you're like, whoa. Like you'd think your hair would stick to your face, but it doesn't. And then it just sets down beautifully. I love this formula. Next product is one that I got a lot of comments on actually in my recent no coverage makeup tutorial. And I had a few comments on YouTube, but then also messages on Instagram about this. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. We're no stranger to this formula, but this shade, Boundless Bisque, people were like, wait a minute, that's like the perfect skin tone shade. Like it looks like the color of the skin. It doesn't look like the color of your, what am I going to say? Eye flesh. It matches the actual, you know, this part of the eye, the waterline, instead of being too bright or too pink. And I'm like, yeah, Boundless Bisque, girl, she is the one. It's what I have on, obviously. So that's Boundless Bisque. It's like, I'm going to say 3 shades, probably lighter and a little bit pinkier than my natural skin tone. I'm pretty yellow. It is the perfect waterline color to open the eye without looking like a doll. Okay, to me, this is super unique because of the way it's packaged. And this is another product that I'm like, can I please go on a trip soon? Because I need to go, oh, this is my travel makeup bag. And go, I feel like my peeps on TikTok really get me when it comes to this kind of stuff. So I hope you guys are about to get me on this. There's just certain things that are very satisfying and like something like putting something in a bag and it being like the perfect size, perfect feel, perfect weight, perfect shape. It's very satisfying to me. Is the Kaja Beauty Bento in Chocolate Dahlia. This is it. This is all I have on my eyes. This stack, it's 3 eyeshadows. Like what? I can do this look in 3 eyeshadows. And look at this, like blush and eyeshadow covered in your travel makeup bag. You know how satisfying? I'm packing. I am done. Like that's so satisfying to me. But let's go over these shades. The shimmer shade. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I always use my finger with this. Check her out. Check her out. Gorgeous. It's what I have on, the only shimmer shade I have on, and it doesn't flake all over my face. That's another thing. It's a very grown up sparkle glitter shade. It's very grown up. And then open this up right here. Boop, you get a transition shade, a little crease shade. Look at that. It reminds me of Max Wedge, but a little bit warmer. I feel like if you mixed, what is it, Omega and Wedge, or am I thinking, anyway, doesn't matter. Look at that. It's what I have on in my crease, blended out through here, okay? And then the darkest shade is what I have on underneath my lower lash line and on the outer corner. Like what? You wouldn't think that you could get a complete eye look with just 3 eyeshadows. I know I don't. I feel like I need like at least 5, a transition shade, an all over lid shade, a shimmer shade, 2 darker shades. You know what I'm saying? But no, I can do a complete look with just 3. Somebody take me on a trip because I'm ready to pack. Kaja's killing it. I love this packaging. I know that this is nothing new or groundbreaking, but look how small this is. Let me throw this in a bag. So pretty, so neutral, so nudie. Like, you don't need a gigantic I need a nude palette, which I love the I need a nude palette. But this is all you need. If you want like a beautiful nude eyeshadow, like you can just use this in the crease and put some mascara on. It's beautiful. Love it. Kaja is killing it for me right now. And I just feel like their products are super unique because of the packaging. The formulations are beautiful, very underrated. The lipstick I have on. I'll tell you the lip liner. It's nothing new, nothing like too unique. It's just a nude lip liner. This is the I Need a Nude lip crayon in Leon. And that's the lip liner. This lipstick, you guys, I got in a PR package and I tried it for the first time, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. I posted it on my story and Beauty Pie was like, can we please pay for rights for usage for your Instagram story? Let me please put you onto something. You guys know I'm the queen of lip combos. I'm the queen of lip products. This is a beauty product from Beauty Pie. It is a lip product like I've never tried. And I was like, yes, because I'm obsessed with this lip product. I don't even have words. I don't have the right description. I'm not going to do this justice. If you guys have not tried the Beauty Pie Unlipstick lipstick formula, I applied this 5 hours ago. Just gonna leave that info right there for you. Right there. That's how long ago I put this on. If you were to apply like a satin film over your lip, that doesn't even sound right. If you were to put a second skin that is a satin finish on your lips, it would be this formula. What? And it's not drying. It's not gritty ever. And I've had this for a couple weeks and I'm already down this far because I've been wearing this nearly every day. I feel like the shade Unforgettable, which is what I have on, if I were to create the perfect everyday lipstick shade that warmed up the skin a little bit, but had a uniqueness to it, it would be this. Beauty Pie, you guys, I feel like if I don't scream from the mountaintops about this lip product, because it's unlipstick and unforgettable, I'm not doing any of you justice. This is stunning. If you see my lips looking perfect, it's because of this. I know that the Urban Decay is not like something you've never heard of, but I feel like it's not getting enough hype because the formulation is just absolutely beautiful. Let's crush this life. Let's crush this year. Year of the snake. Shed the old. Be yourself. This turned into a mental health chat. I love you guys. I love everything I mentioned and am wearing in the info below. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
All right.